This is our z-table, or our standard normal probabilities. And as you see, we have z listed here, and at first you have the negative z's in this particular table that I'm using, that I found online. And then it's followed by the positive numbers. So if I wanted to look up 1, for instance, I'd find it right here. And you look across the top, and the 0.00 would be actually 1.00. So our percentage for 1 is 0.8413. If instead we were looking up 1.05, for instance, we would go down to 1 and then across to 5 to find 0.8531. Note too that wherever your z-score is, so if it's 1.0, you read from that point left that percentage. So if this is 1, this gray area would be the part represented by 0.8413. And because we know the total area under the curve is 1, then we could take 1 and subtract the 0.8413 to get the white area here, if we wanted to. Okay, that's all for now.